Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 2, The Golden Touch. In faraway Greece, there once lived a king named Midas. Let me tell you in short, in this chapter, this is a story of a king named Midas who was very rich but greedy also. Okay, now see. In faraway Greece, faraway here means far, very far. Greece, name of a country. ग्रीस में एक राजा रहता था जिसका नाम था मिडास. ही वॉज अ वेरी ग्रीडी मैन. ग्रीडी यू ऑल नो मीनिंग लालची. दो ही वॉज रिच, ही वॉन्टेड मोर मनी एंड गोल्ड ऑल द टाइम. यद्यपि, दो हेयर मीन्स यद्यपि, वो रिच था लेकिन वो बहुत ज़्यादा मनी और गोल्ड उसको चाहिए था. वन डे a wise man met the king. Wise here means sage, clever man or intelligent man. एक विद्वान व्यक्ति उससे मिला राजा से. He told the king that he could make a wish and that it would be fulfilled. And that you can see in this picture, this is a king named Midas, and this picture is of a learned man. A learned man came to his palace and asked a wish of Midas, and he said, you could make a wish. तुम कोई भी अपनी इच्छा, wish means इच्छा, मांग सकते हो और वो fulfill हो जाएगी. Fulfill here means that will come true, जो सच हो जाएगी. Now on hearing this, ये सब सुनकर ये राजा ने कहा विदाउट इवन पॉजिंग. पॉजिंग हियर मीन्स बिना रुके. द किंग सैड, आई लव गोल्ड, आई वॉन्ट एवरीथिंग आई टच टू टर्न टू गोल्ड. मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो भी चीज़, हर चीज़ को मैं टच करूँ वो गोल्ड में टर्न हो जाए, गोल्ड में बदल जाए. वेरी वेल सैड द वाइज मैन. वाइज मैन ने कहा बहुत अच्छे. फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन वट एवर यू टच विल टर्न इन टू गोल्ड. ठीक है, आई विल फुलफिल योर विश. अब से जो भी, जिस भी चीज़ को तुम टच करोगे वो सोने की हो जाएगी. किंग मिडास वॉज वेरी हैप्पी नाउ बिकॉज हिज विश हैड बीन फुलफिल्ड. ही touched a large stone in his garden. Now what did he do? उसने अपने गार्डन में एक बहुत बड़े स्टोन को टच किया and at once the stone changed into gold. उसी वक्त जो स्टोन था वो पत्थर गोल्ड में बदल गया. He touched a beautiful red rose. फिर उसने एक बहुत सुंदर रेड रोज को टच किया. इट टर्न टू शाइनिंग गोल्ड. वो भी गोल्ड में चेंज हो गया. किंग मिडास वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड नाउ. एक्साइटेड, वेरी हैप्पी, बिकॉज ही लव्ड मनी एंड गोल्ड. और जो भी चीज़ को वो टच करता सब गोल्ड में कन्वर्ट हो रही थी. ही टच्ड फ्लावर्स, प्लांट्स एंड स्टैच्यूज, मूर्ति, सबको, जिस भी चीज़ को उसने टच किया एवरीथिंग टर्न्ड इनटू gold. He rushed into the palace. You can see this picture also. You may see this picture here. Midas is touching all things in his garden and all things are turning into gold. See, this one is tree, building, grasses, flowers, statue, everything has turned into gold. He rushed into the palace and touched chairs, tables and vases. Rushed here means दौड़ना, दौड़कर. पैलेस here means महल. वो दौड़कर, भागकर पैलेस, महल में गया और उसने चेयर, टेबल एंड वेसेस पॉट्स, फ्लावर पॉट्स, उन सब को टच किया. His wish had come true. उसकी विश सच हो गई थी. Everything he touched turned to gold. हर चीज़ जो उसके द्वारा टच की गई गोल्ड में चेंज हो गई थी। आई शेल बी द रिचेस्ट किंग इन द होल वर्ल्ड थॉट मिडास। मिडास ने सोचा कि मैं इस पूरे संसार का, वर्ल्ड का सबसे रिचेस्ट किंग, अमीर किंग हूँ, बन जाऊँगा। आई एम द लकीस्ट मैन ऑन अर्थ। लकीस्ट, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा लकीस्ट मैन हूँ इस अर्थ पर। Soon Midas grew hungry. अब मिडास को भूख लगी। He saw a ball of fruits. उसने एक बॉल फ्रूट से भरा देखा। He wanted a ripe red apple. Ripe here means पका हुआ। उसे भूख लगी थी तो उसे एक पका हुआ रेड एप्पल खाना था। But the moment he touched the apple, it turned to gold. Moment means at once, उसी क्षण। बट जैसे ही उसने एप्पल को टच किया खाने के लिए, वो भी गोल्ड में चेंज हो गया। Everything he tried to eat or drink turned to gold. हर वो चीज़ जिसे राजा ने खाना या पीना चाहा, वो गोल्ड में बदल गई। Oh dear, said the king, what a foolish man I am. Now he realized his mistake. He said to himself, कितना foolish हूँ मैं. I won't be able to eat or drink anything at all. अब मैं कुछ भी नहीं खा और पी पाऊँगा। Just then his daughter came running into the room. उसी वक्त उसकी डॉटर दौड़ी दौड़ी भागकर उसके रूम में आई। Why are you sad, father? She asked, putting her arms around him. उसने कहा, आप इतना सैड क्यों हैं फादर? और अपनी आर्म्स, अपनी बाहें अपने फादर के गले में डालते हुए। As soon as he hugged her, जैसे ही, hugged here means जैसे ही राजा ने अपनी डॉटर को गले लगाया, she wasn't a girl any longer. वो अब गर्ल भी नहीं रही थी। She became a golden statue. You can see in this picture. वो एक golden statue में change हो गई थी। Midas was shocked now. Why he was shocked? Because his daughter was not a girl longer now. So he began to cry. The wise man appeared. Appeared here means came in front of, beside, by the side of. Again he came there, wise man, and asked the king, aren't you happy with your gift? Then king replied, please take your gift back. I'm begging you, give my daughter back to me, please. I have learnt a lesson. मैंने अब lesson सीख लिया है, and I promise that I'll never be greedy again. So the wise man took pity on the king. Pity here means took sympathy. And he cured him of his golden touch. Cured here means ठीक करना। golden touch, उसके golden touch से उसको अब ठीक कर दिया था। Now he could touch each and everything. He could eat and drink each and everything. King Midas was happy now, so he could enjoy eating. He also got his daughter back. So here we have completed this chapter. I hope you have understood this. Okay, that's all. Let me summarize this chapter. So, this chapter is a story of a king named Midas who lived in Greece. He was very rich but greedy king. One day, a wise man came to his palace and asked king to make a wish. Without even stopping or pausing, the king said, I want everything I touch that would turn into gold. Then the wise man said, okay, now your wish would be fulfilled. Whatever you will touch, that would turn into gold. Now King Midas was very happy because his wish was going to be fulfilled. So what he did? He went to his garden and he touched flowers, plants, statues, rose, and stone over there, and everything turned into gold. He was surprised to see all that. Then he rushed into his palace, and there he touched chairs, tables, and vases. Now he became very happy because his wish had come true. Everything he touched turned to gold. He thought that he would be the richest king in the world or the luckiest man on earth. Soon he felt hungry now. Then he wanted a red apple to eat. But when he touched that apple, that that turned to gold. Everything he tried to eat or drink turned to gold. He had realized his mistake. He said to himself, "What a foolish man I am! What I did now? Now I won't be able to eat anything at all. What would I do now?" He was sad and crying in his room. Just then his daughter came to his room and asked, "Father, why are you so sad?" Then when he hugged his daughter, she she wasn't a girl any longer. She became a golden statue. Now he was shocked at all. He began to cry bitterly. When he was crying, again the same wise man came to meet him and asked the king, "Aren't you happy with your wish or gift?" Then King Midas said, "Please take your gift away back. I have realized my mistake. I have learnt a lesson. I promise you that I would never be greedy again. Give my daughter back to me." Now, on seeing this, the wise man felt sympathy on the king. He cured him of his golden touch. Now king got his daughter back. He could enjoy eating or drinking now onwards. He was very happy now. Okay, that's it.